Okay, I got a couple of cheap plastic kits, 99p a pop, to create a pan and tilt mechanism using a couple of the cheap servos I bought a while back. And needless to say, from China it came with 0 instructions on how to assemble, but thanks to Google and YouTube I found out how to do it after I'd done it. So there were a couple of screws I'd missed, but this is it. I mounted it on a little bit of plywood, here we are, so that you can see there's 2 servos, the one here for tilt and the one down here for pan, and then I've mounted it on a little handy dandy piece of balsa wood. To control it I'm using a joystick. Again, another cheap piece of electronics from China, so you get what you get. And for no reason whatsoever other than the fact I only had the board left, I'm driving it with a Arduino Mega board. Certainly doesn't need a Mega board, but that was the only prototyping board I had left. So there it is, and this is it in action. So moving, let me bring this a little bit nearer so I can get them both in camera. No, let me just shuffle this down a bit and shuffle this down a bit. There we go. So moving the joystick up and down gives me the tilt, and if I move it to the left and right, I get the pan. That's it. Cool.